Welcome back, listeners. Today we have a special guest with us, the Game Changer. We will be discussing how to build a gaming PC. Welcome back, Tech Enthusiastic. Today we have a special guest on our podcast, the Game Changer. We'll be discussing the ideal configuration for building a gaming PC. Welcome, Game Changer.
Thank you, Saad Techies. It's a pleasure to be here and talk about building a gaming PC with the perfect configuration. Let's get started.
Fantastic. When it comes to building a gaming PC, the configuration plays a crucial role. What components would you recommend for an ideal gaming setup?
For the CPU, I'd recommend going with a powerful and future-proof option like the Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7. These processors offer excellent performance for gaming and multitasking. As for the GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 or AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT would be great choices for smooth gameplay.
Those are indeed top tier choices. What about the RAM and storage options for our gaming PC?
For RAM, I'd suggest a minimum of 16 GB, preferably DDR4, as it provides sufficient memory for most modern games. However, if you're looking for future-proofing and better multitasking, 32 GB would be ideal. As for storage, an SSD solid-state drive is a must for faster boot times and loading speeds.
Great recommendations. What about the motherboard and power supply?
The PC case should have good airflow and ample space to accommodate the components. Look for cases with proper cable management options and room for additional fans or liquid cooling solutions if you plan to overclock your CPU or GPU.
Excellent. And what about the PC case? Any specific features or recommendations?
Definitely. A high-quality gaming monitor with a high refresh rate and low response time is essential for a smooth and immersive gaming experience. A gaming keyboard and mouse that suit your preferences and a comfortable headset for clear audio communication are also important.
That covers the main components. Any additional peripherals or accessories that gamers should consider?
My pleasure, Saad Techies. I hope our discussion helps our listeners make informed decisions while building their gaming rig.
Fantastic suggestion. Game Changer, thank you sharing your insights on the ideal configuration for building a gaming PC.
Absolutely. Thanks again, Saad Techies. Take care, everyone, and enjoy your gaming adventures.
That wraps up our discussion. Thank you, listeners, for tuning in. Remember, the right configuration can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Happy gaming, everyone. Until next time, tech enthusiastic. Stay tuned for more exciting content.